The subform field. When you're working with relational database, you often need to view multiple tables or fill out several tables using one form. Subforms on QuintaDB service are a convenient tool for doing this. They are generally used when you need to show data from tables with a one-to-many relationship. In other words, the subform is a form that is inserted into another form. For example, let's take the contracts table, which contains all current contracts with the company. The task is to relate customer with his contracts. In this case, one customer may have many contracts. I'm creating a new form called Customers. I have already created contact input fields. Now I need to create a subform field. You can find it in the Advanced section. Select the contracts table from the drop-down list. The form is ready, and I can start filling out the table. I enter the customer's contact details. To add an entry to the subform, I need to click on Add New Link. Using the cross icon, I can change their order. If you need to delete an entry, just click on the trash icon. I filled out the form. Now let's see what does the table looks like. As you can see, the table shows all the customers' contracts, and I can edit these records if I need. On the subform field editing page, I can set the minimum entries number, set the default entries number, in other words, the number of open subforms entries when the main form loading, set a limit on the maximum entries number, choose the subform's data order in the table, and the data sorting method. In the Subform Settings tab, I can choose how to show subforms data in table, as a column or a table. Choose columns to show. If you need to hide some subforms fields on the main form, you can select them here. You can disable this option, delete all dependent records in subform when main form's record deleted, show or hide the Add New Link, change the text of the link and show or hide delete icon. Here's another example. I have several related tables, menu and order tables. The menu table contains all positions and prices. In the order form, I have the positions and quantity fields, and following formula. The quantity field multiplied by position price, which is contained in the menu table. The task is to create another form for the customers with ability to select several positions and see the total price of the order. First of all, I will add the subform field called Select Position. Next, I need to add Customer Contacts field. In order to calculate the final order amount, I will add the linked column field. In the drop-down list, I need to select the price column from the order table. Also, I will make the field visible in the form, so that the customer will see the total price after filling out the form. Great, now let's test this form. As a result, I made a dynamic and comprehensive order form, with the ability to select several positions and calculate the final price. Thanks for watching, subscribe and follow up for more videos. For more information, please visit QuintaDB.com.